So this is our maiden voyage of the season. We just unwinterized her, which was easy because we didn't.
Is that a word, unwinterized?
Probably not.
We took the winter out of her.
Whoops.
Put it that way.
So now we are heading to go hunt some trolls. That sounds really bad. We're going to find all those trolls that the artist built.
You're looking at me for? I'm just a bus driver.
And so we're heading to Raleigh because there's a bunch there, and then we're gonna overnight at a Harvest Host, and we're gonna spend the evening with
the number one troll, Creed,
with our son. So we are heading now to Raleigh. I think it's Dixie Park has like, I don't know, you can download the troll map to go find these trolls.
I'm sure that's what you'll be doing.
I have the map somewhere. It's like a treasure hunt. All right, so off we go. Just left Dixie Park in Raleigh to see 5 trolls. Beautiful day, February 14th. And we have some beautiful weather in Raleigh, North Carolina. So very cool. I would recommend going on a weekday. It was very, very crowded. we parked, I don't know, where did we park?
We parked over there.
We parked by the first troll. Anyways, pretty walk, lots of dogs, which was a challenge for us because I have one dog who is, what would you say?
Not so dog friendly.
She's not. She has big feelings when she sees other
Big
dogs.
feelings.
She has really big feelings when she sees other dogs. So that was a little bit of a challenge. So now we are heading to. We're gonna go to NC State, but we're gonna go check in with our harvest hosts, which is the Raleigh Brewing Company. We have stayed there before. It's perfect. It's very close to NC State. And then we're going to go out to lunch and watch the Olympic hockey game.
Really?
Yeah,
Are they playing?
they are.
Really?
USA is playing.
Really?
Right, they are.
Wish I knew.
I know.
It's a good idea.
Good thing you're representing. So anyways, that is what we're doing. And I think it's going to be, it's beautiful right now. It's like 60s. I think it's going to be a low of 40 tonight. So it'll be nice sleeping weather. And Van's been doing great on her
Maiden 2026 voyage.
Maiden 2026 voyage. All right. Over and out. So we're just hanging outside of the Harvest Toast, which is very, very busy.
2.6
And
seconds left.
we just had some lunch and we're hanging out here. Whoops. Small space. We got Rosie here and Oak. And I figured out how to get my hotspot to work. And we are watching the Olympics. So we're just chilling out.
Bleeping me out.
So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yeah, Swayman.
What is that out there? Okay, who's out there? Jeez, take it easy.
Ooh,
Take it easy.
that's a big growl.
That's a big growl, Mr.
From the big
Okie.
bear.
Whoa.
Hi, Rosemary Clooney.
He likes to have his bum rubbed in the mornings.
Oh, it's giving kisses.
Yeah. Where tongue's been. You guys are probably just happy to have a day off from you know who.